Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can bookmark your Chrome setting. So, as you know, if we install new Windows or sometime we need to set up a new account for Chrome. So that's why we need to set up or we need to export Google Chrome browser. So for this, you need to go to on bookmark setting on Google Chrome. First, you need to First, you need to go to on theater option on Google Chrome. Then you need to click on bookmark and then bookmark manager. And then you will see the theater option called bookmark. And you will see there is an option export bookmark. You need to click on export bookmark and a pop-up window will come up. And then you need to choose then you need to give a name bookmark backup bookmark or something like that, and I'm doing it right now. So this way you can export the bookmark, or if you want to import the bookmark, you need to click on import bookmark. So you need to choose the bookmark, and this way it will again you will see the your previous history, browser, bookmark, everything. Thank you.